0241 393534 0241 393534.
Wedding cooling and you know my any just some no beduo Frempon Enterprise Adwuma Diamond Citri milk detergents toiletries just provisions bia open one sabeka na se wo ye engagement program bia wo ye no se wo hia ensa dokodoko de announce champagne communion wine ni nyina ye wholesale price se wo beto de of Frempon Enterprise pampon sem tight crolo sembia ni ho Frempon Enterprise Adwuma no money nachi enye jakwan wo achimodan or Mandarina Hotel on the Achimdan Station entrance no and ye ni mo hwe sanso na drink depot no ewo Mandarina any PPP office abansoro no entamu pe oni Adwuma enkasa wa homa yi so 0244 897 525 0242 111 236 Frempon Enterprise ana still Adwuma wa deeper panache.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya rientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Neddy Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes say, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, yamwa suing no, a way a home buying a free home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep pinty. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in
Ati, Akati, Coco Tonton, and more Hodwa, a Dico Conya, Nesse Coco, a break your phone.
Mimi jai a dance ya Coco Cravo diva Trivo Honagro, Criafunina, a bossech rese, Trivo, Kumwa Moanesa, and Makoko no hotono, na assign aso doso. Enti a Makoko Criafo bottom ayede.
Nanika Samne say, Yem fat Trivo bebre, Kakrebi, would you chat hemmels? Never go motobrunumu, na fele, never bo Coco no bosumi bia.
Trivo, Kum Coco Moana say, Kumun Kosyanina, na a year Mabasa Harso say, Double Triva, Winnie how our Coco Mukra.
Guy say, Coco bought for Asham Adia to me say, Trivo, I yet do papa, yet come Coco Moamina, so be Pebiatra, Uncle Agrochemical shop Bia, a ban on chain. That's open a do to a tonso, Unfre Adama West African 4, I was 0544 34 35 32 and a 0544 34 8821 and a 0544 32 5030.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment frontman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And column for all genders, all age groups. That time about 50 almost emergency. That's why
an average pundit like it had to discuss him, but it's what we're supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said I need quality and need too high in the idea. Don't I do it, massive one Americans, one boys not crack cafe. I'm about on the music, it's from digital channels, so I'm decoder. So
this and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Mid-morning show. The mid-morning.
Dancing began.
Give me the beat. Give me the beat. Sweet beat. You give me the beat. Yeah. And listen to that part, yeah. I want to do that. Let me give them another big shot banger. Let me take you way back into December. Remember the thing where we do just between me and you, mommy, damn it, and inna the Dutch Avenger. Girl, promise me say you surrender. Say me and you we go die together, but you put my life in danger. I never know you and I will go be over. Power Saba. Never know you and I will go be over. Power Saba. Wherever you dey, I know you missing me. Power Saba. Pray to find someone just like me. Power Saba. Yeah, Naomi. Oh, man, I know you. 90 milli, you dey see and feel it. Katia yala, you dey, I know you missing me. Bawa Saba, pray to find someone just like me. Bawa Saba, Naomi, Obana, Naomi.
Right, so welcome back. We are here on the radio 93.3 of Councilor is seated already. But I mean, Kai was said, police in here, Juno. Still, I'm a patrol. Could you man so in Busia, one still immune system? No, over to me, a friend penny for 02460228. Mati, bad news been a person semi mood, but me age man no boy.
I don't see any
bad news, man. Yes, I mean, you up here. Maybe I mean, my baby. I'm a hair back links. I mean, can't you be a me patro? Ya rate it to say. One bra, I'm a hair back links. You see, I know the ultramodern scan machine at the aba and our friends so quantum detector. It's no ya Arabia 80 to be a me patro oba. Obe to ya rena say one time at the amount typhoid, ulcer, syphilis, hepatitis B and C, kidney problem, menstrual problem, gonorrhea, and the diabetes. Nina o two as ya maje. Ewo achim oda Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station. Friend was 0244 877-84 Omudia bro. Nti the number ni BM 0244 877-840 0244 877-840 and 0205045665. Amaje Herba Clinic na or say wayaresa nto na wotwin ubeware ana abepo ho be engagement ade a obe bia obe hia photographer me pa cho sebra na fa beto moni mo bebo aye pa mo pictures nso the quality eni da ho kama pa o hwede a Ella ne Queensta mu ko twetwa na ade ade in fact eni da 100 amu posti Ella nkwa ko twa picture wase Miss V Color Studios and Digital Embroidery na omuntwa kama pa afen so open tade e de aye wudwumedie bia open embroidery form wase bra na on sort out pa friend 0245 276638 0245 276638 Councilor Makwaba bia
Kwabena
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adom bibi aboko. Nyoma be mi nsa na abom. Yeah.
But
ehu hia pa.
But vim no. Right, Councilor, yesterday, so together with my producers and I transi and I did this topic at the buy. Dotu nje. What sorry on nan which or tro no typing and the den pa. But one fa paper number I found or no software. Or the soft copy. This is all the software. I go my one time.
There's a soft in it.
Ninya software. Right, Councilor NTC. Yabusa said, should you always attend to your partner's need? Either say urgent and I say urgent.
Kwabena edenyamiase mamini kanchia etiefo ahenkan tiefo ni na kwabena onipa ba komete ne kanche o se olele ana o se o wasene not afro program yi
asane fo nyina anim ba ko
he's a nice gentleman mete ne kanche ma me ye bo ane so mada na kwabena me kache o se ko Akembusumi Rural Bank on our branch manager Leslie catch us a kokochi meko pa he's a very nice gentleman, you know, assembly near exhibit. I think deputy general secretary Marchim Sodro constituency. Good. And Stabi Akis Junction. Kwabena anopay no kwabena enwe bo be 9 na o enva
no other.
Okay, I don't know other.
And Ramadan temu.
Okay. Good.
Tuesday no. Let me birthday.
Kwabena man TV one man so ehun
Tuesday let me birthday.
Oh kwabena. Na say we one wa fa ho adu. Man TV. Kwabena say le nka adwuma kakra bi asenka.
But Tuesday me da by 9.
Oh okay.
But Endra there me da by 7:30.
Na me kwa akra ma me ko mitia ma mi. Yeah.
Krista. Tuesday is na me na mwana. And na Monday. Okay, also Tuesday. Okay. There be Tuesday I'm
Tuesday morning. It was Tuesday morning. Na Tuesday morning. Yes. Yeah. And rather me cry.
Okay, a bit Tuesday because Tuesday no Christian Bergman tem.
Tuesday morning.
Or first one in baby.
Tuesday morning.
First obi be funny pie ba nipa tire pie na dem na
good. Kwabena to birthday na say Tuesday dey na say.
See me krada.
Minim be say. Kwabena but this ade we me man ntwam. Yes. Ye koba ye ba nina no sebi ewiase na hokwa. Den na make kan wasem say nyoma bi ne di wiase ne so. Etina me busa wo say enra Kwabena all that time ben.
That 7:30.
Yes.
As in Wednesday bia na
no. As in enra a new moon.
Minimum that.
Yes. And 2 days before it, we saw a lot of stars. And yes, be a Kwabena you read and I see some sign man, but it gives us signs. So come sign Psalm 19. I say Madam Day teaches a lot of things. And Kwabena, I have been very observant about some of these things. It is working and sometimes I kwancheni a church and kofo be Kwabena mean some of these things unfenyame. But I am going to and as I'm living my life according to the principles in the Bible. And then me so that's it. Endra, for instance, was a new moon. And I will say Osram a Grammy. Yes, that is the new moon. Now new moon, Kwabena, moya celebrities. This is the time people start working against you people. We are about to see a lot of accidents along the line. If free and ne or china kwakusi ni Saturday. So your driver, let me put it that way. Be very, very careful. One way you better can. This is the time people orchestrate or not nase planet and uye ubia when he ha was an your man who ebenyam. So be the call ne affordable share so and now be the again so obey bibi tiawa. This is the particular time they normally do it.
And today you say
also be more near that. Yes, that is the only thing. And no penny they say your man. So when you look at it, that's the one who say